Hi guys. Okay, so today in math we are talking still about a word that we have heard before. Remember this word? Pattern. Pattern. P-A-T-T-E-R-N. A pattern. Remember what a pattern is? Something that repeats itself over and over and over, okay? So we're gonna think about some things that are a pattern. When you're reading a book, when you're looking at words, words are in a pattern. It's true. It's true. I was gonna show you a book. Here we are. Well, that book doesn't have any words. Of course, that would be the book I pick up. Oh, the book in my purse. There it is. Okay. So, when you look at word families, like rhyming, that's a pattern. A-T, 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 that's a pattern. And you change the first letter. So, when you start seeing patterns in words and in sentences, and then you start seeing patterns in numbers, how that when you look at the 100 chart, and my 100 chart is on the other side over there. I thought it was behind me. You see the pattern of numbers, how all the ones and all the ones that end in a 2, then all the ones that end in a 0 over here. So there's patterns everywhere. And when we start seeing patterns, then you become a better reader and you understand numbers. So that's why we learn about patterns. So you can be a reader and you can understand numbers, okay? So when we look at patterns, right now, we're going to be looking at 2 colors, okay? Now, I know you know so many colors because you're super smart. I know that, okay? But we're going to pick 2 colors today. We're going to pick red and green, okay? I'm going to tilt this up a little so hopefully my camera will not fall. Now, if I have my red and then my green, what's going to go next? Red, green, and then what's going to happen? It's going to repeat. Then the red's going to come back. So red, green, that's our pattern, and then it starts over. Red, and then what? Green. Good. And then what? It repeats again. Red, and then green. Okay, so this is the pattern, and it has repeated itself. I'm trying to scoop my little frogs down. They're not cooperating. Okay, so red, green is the pattern. 2 colors. So it would be A, B, A, B, A, B. Because when you see the thing that's A, the color, and it pops up every time, then you say A again. When you see the one that's the different color, the B, you say B every time. So A, B, A, B, A, B. Okay. Red, green, red, green, red, green. Good job. So if we go huff, puff, huff, puff, we could do that. Huff, puff, huff, puff, just for fun. Huff, puff. Yeah, so that's like a fun way of doing it too. Okay, now your homework, guys, is going to be this page. Let's see, it doesn't really have a page number, but at the top it says kidszone.com, and it's on the back of a page. So on the front of it are the Thanksgiving things to color, and then you draw one at the end because it didn't get put in the one little sheet of what we cut out. So we're not doing that. Flip it over, and we're doing this, okay? And what you're going to be doing, you're going to pick 2 colors for each row, okay? Just 2 colors. And that's going to help you so that you don't use too many colors, because that's what I saw in some of the people who have already done their homework for today or yesterday is that we're having a lot of colors, okay? And that gets kind of confusing when you're trying to do it, I know, and you're like, whoa, wait a minute. And so I'm just gonna use marker so that you can see it. The crayons don't usually show up very well if I'm doing it and I'm trying to draw while I'm videotaping, okay? So if I use orange and blue, I'm gonna start on the top line. I'm gonna just kind of, I'm not gonna take my time right now. If I wanted to, if I was really doing it, I would do it better. Okay, there's orange. Oh, not blue, brown. And then brown. So then I'm going back to the other color. What's gonna be next? Orange. And then brown. What's gonna come next? What color? Orange, good. Now, which animal was orange? It was the dragon, wasn't it? Or an alligator. I'm not quite sure what that is, a dragon or an alligator. That's the one that was orange. The other one is not the one that goes next. So you put an X on that one, okay? That's the way you do it. Now on the next row, you can pick two different colors, okay? And you color whatever color you want to do. Like if you have a yellow, you could start by coloring the bumblebee yellow. Okay, colored my bumblebee yellow. And then if you have another color, maybe you want to use pink. And you color, this is the where the bees live. It's like a honeycomb. I colored it pink, okay? So what am I gonna color the bee again? Yellow. Colored it yellow. And what is the little honeycomb, the bee home gonna be? Pink, that's what I chose. Now remember, I'm not scribbling over the whole page. I'm just coloring the picture. And then the bumblebee is what color? Yellow. And then what's gonna come next? What comes next in my pattern? Bumblebee, I'm gonna say home. Bumblebee, home. Bumblebee, what's gonna come next? The home. And what color am I coloring the home? Pink. Now you can choose whatever two colors you want per row. And the bumblebee, I'm putting an X on because that's not the one I need next. That doesn't come next in the pattern, okay? So this is what you're gonna do. Families, make sure that you help them choose only two colors per row. And that's gonna help them understand a little better the concept of a pattern and just sticking with two colors, okay? Great job, guys. You're doing such a wonderful job doing your assignments and turning them in. I'm so proud of you, and I love watching your videos. And when you present it to me, when you show me what you've done, I want you to say, you can say, and you can even have someone help you and write underneath if you want to, A, B, A, B, A. So you understand this is the pattern, A, B, A, B, A. Okay, or you can say bumblebee, house, bumblebee, house, bumblebee, house. Okay, so I want you to go through and tell me the pattern when you present it to me. Okay, guys? Super. Okay, let's do a little counting to 20. Can you do it? Help me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep going. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Good job, guys. Okay. You counted to 30, and we are talking about what today? Patterns, because learning patterns will help you be able to read. That's right. And you will know numbers and understand numbers. Oh, you're so smart. Have a great afternoon, guys. Bye.